The purpose of this design challenge was to be able to put as much wire onto the wind turbine while still allowing it to spin when 1 meter away from the fan on high. The goal was to have as much current by using total wire and average speed.
The constraints put on our design were that we were only allowed to use materials provided in class, and we only had a certain amount of time to complete the project.
Our initial design included CDs, skewers, and a styrofoam cup. We are drawn to these materials because we thought it resembled a real wind turbine.
Before our first testing, we were going to use the CD as our blades and rotor, but after our first testing, we decided to use cardboard as the blades and connects as the rotor.
Our designs changed slightly many times because we had trouble with the amount of weight and where to add more weight. We finally decided to add washers inside of the cup to counteract the weight of the rotor and blades. The final design used a CD glued to a cup with washers inside as a base. The tower is made of one tall connect, and the rotor is made of a square connect piece. The blades are made of pieces of cardboard that effectively caught the wind.
Our design was the sturdiness because of the way we made the base. The weakness was the rotor because of the connect pulling it up. It was flimsy and bent a little bit.
If we were going to redo the wind turbine, we would make it so we had more surface area on the rotor so that we could add more wire to the wind turbine so we could have a greater total current.
Induction is when a varying magnetic field goes a conductor to create electromagnetic energy.
The requirements for induction is there must be wire moving around a magnet or a magnet moving while surrounded by wire.
When the turbine was in a constant magnetic field, the wire would rotate around the magnetic field, causing induction to take place, which would cause electricity.
To calculate the current our wind turbine would make, we used the equation length of wire times total rotation in 30 seconds divided by 30 equals the estimated current in a constant magnetic field. Our estimated current was 987.9 amps. Overall, we thought iMovie was very easy to use.
The most difficult part of using iMovie was getting our videos and recordings into the iMovie.
I feel confident I can make an iMovie by myself because the app is very easy to use and very helpful.
I do believe I could use iMovie by myself because I learned how to use it really well during this project.